In this video, we are going to be looking at how to install LandPress marketing landing page Elementor WordPress theme. This is our affiliate link in the description to purchase the theme. After purchasing the theme, I go straight to my dashboard. That's my WordPress dashboard. Then next, I go to appearance because I've already got to my theme. So next, I click on add new theme. Upload theme, then I choose one. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Next, I select my theme. So I'm going there, so I will select this, open, then install now. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. If this video is helpful, use the buy me a coffee link in the description to buy me a coffee. Also use the hire me link to hire me to help you install the theme. Next, I click on activate. Now I've already uploaded my theme. As you can see, it is written customize. Where this one, look at it, look at the difference. So this shows that this is the default theme. This is the theme I installed now. So now I can now come here, right click on this, open new link in new tab. So here's my site. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. If this video is helpful, use link in the description to buy me coffee. Thank you.